Hi, it's Creative Sarah here. We are going to do something good, our Watts of Love transfer, and I'm using our palette sign. It's the 9x12. I'm taking some Peachy Keen chalk paste, put a little water on the board first, and just painting a very rough base of Peachy Keen. Very rough, very distressed, not a solid color. Now I'm going to dry it. I'm using my quick dry tool, so it should dry in no time, pretty quick. If you don't have a quick dry tool, you can use a hair dryer. Just put it on a cool setting. After this gets all dry, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of our surface wax. So the surface wax right there is a clear wax that goes on. It's like a, it gets a nice top coat over the wooden piece. Now I'm going to fuzz my transfer. So I'm going to peel the transfer off the backer sheet and just fuzz it 3 times. And then I'll lay it down and we'll start chalking. I have decided to use Storm chalk paste, our gray color. And I'm just going to go with my small squeegee and squeegee right across all of the silk screen. Get the smooth and remove is what I'm doing. Just kind of peel off that excess. Look at that. Perfect. Now we're going to dry all of the chalk paste that I just put down. And when that's completely dry, we can work on embellishing. So I've got 3 little pieces of ribbon here that coordinate. I'm cutting a little piece of gray jute. I've added some greenery and some pretty little flowers for the spring. Everything is coordinated in this really nice peachy color. And I'm just going to kind of trim that off. I dovetailed the edges of the ribbon. I'm going to hot glue it on. And there you have it. Guys, follow Creative Sarah for more ideas and inspiration.